Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Chrome browser and type Python and click on enter. Click on downloads. So it will take you to the download link of the python.org site. So here it will automatically choose the operating system. For mine it is Windows, so it is automatically showing me the latest version for Windows. Here I will click on download Python to download the latest version. Once it has been downloaded, open the file and you will get this pop-up. So here I already have Python installed in my system. So it's showing me to upgrade it. There is another option to choose customize location. You will not get this. So you will basically get two options, default installation or customize installation. So you will have to choose customize installation. Here by default, everything is selected. I will go to next. So here in the advanced options, these three options will be selected. So here we have the path. So choose the path where you want to install Python and copy this path and keep it in a notebook because we are going to use it in the further video, and click on install. I'm not going to click on install as I have already installed. You can click it and it will take some time and the installation will be complete. So once the installation is complete, we are going to check from command prompt if the installation is done correctly. So click on Windows and type cmd and click on enter to open the command prompt. Write Python and click on enter. You can see the name of the latest version of Python. Here I can see Python 3.11.4. So if Python version is not showing in the terminal, you will have to add Python to path. And that is why we have saved the path. So this is our path. I will copy this and open the file explorer. Here I will go to this PC and right click, go to properties. Here under the device specification, you can see advanced system settings. Click on it. From here I will have to choose environment variables, and here under the system variables, search for path. Here is the path. Now click on the path and click on edit. When you edit, you will have to click on new and paste the path here and click on OK. Again click on OK. Now once you have added file to the path, again open the command prompt and write Python to check if the Python 3.11.4 is coming. So if it is coming, you have successfully installed Python in your system. Now I will run print hello world. Click on enter and it will print hello world. Now you can write Python in the terminal or search for IDLE. Click on enter. You can write Python here as well. So I will write print hello world. It will print hello world. So this is how you can install Python in Windows 11. So that was it for this video. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.